I actually got a recommendation from this guy I met in one of the communities. Just using AI with especially your account description on your store can just really help boost your sales. And then ever since I changed it, just with the AI, I started getting a lot more sales. I'd say on this 8,000, my margins, probably net profit, including everything I paid for like the store and my tracking subscriptions, and then also for ecom, probably around 1,600. So I mean, floating right around a 20% margin.
All right, what's up guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video I have Connor. Connor is an eBay dropshipper that started relatively recently, so we're going to go through his journey so you guys could get some kind of feedback, what to expect if you're doing a good job, if you're not. So like the video, subscribe. My name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay for a very long time. If you guys want help, one-on-one help, I'll put a link to my calendar and a link to the Telegram group in the description. Well, Connor, you want to introduce yourself really quickly? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do other than eBay?
What's up to everyone watching? My name is Connor. Currently live in Illinois, but I go to university in Florida. I go to Florida State. I'm 19. I turned 20 in October. I just pretty much started doing drop shipping. Like I found out about all of it relatively around the start of June is when I started. And ever since then, I've just been staying consistent with it up until now.
So you're a little over a month.
Yeah, right around a month and a half. I started using Ecom Sniper. I think it was June 6th or June 7th was my first day.
Okay. And before this, did you try e-commerce before? Have you done anything relatively similar?
No, I've done like other, online side hustles, but I've never done anything relating to e-commerce. And then I discovered Ecom Sniper specifically with the Amazon to eBay. And that's from right there. That's just when I started to learn everything.
Okay. And what do you study at university?
I'm a finance student.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So you want to jump in and share your screen so we can see what it looks like at a month and a half.
Yeah, I got you. So this is my account right now. This is the first account I made. I changed the name right when I started to this Ship by Mia. I actually got a recommendation from this guy I met in one of the communities that just using AI with especially your account description on your store can just really help boost your sales. And then ever since I changed it, just with the AI, I started getting a lot more sales. But I started on June 6th. So today, with it being June 20th, I'm pretty much right at a bound.
That's interesting because like I've interviewed a number of guys about eBay dropshipping and their journeys and so on. But I think you are the first one that talks specifically about the branding and the message of the store. And it makes sense. Like I can see it.
Yeah. I have a specific description too. I use a lot of AI just to help pretty much write up everything. Like this right here, I just plugged it into chat. It made this for me. It covers over the carriers that I use. I specifically have Amazon fulfillment in there. So then if anyone ever has any issue with that, I can always direct them back to my main page to say that it was in the description, So that was something I did early though, and I really noticed a boost after I started to use that. So here, it was actually today that I just hit $8,000 in sales. I mean, I've had pretty steady growth pretty much these past few days. I think in July was when everything really started to pick up, and ever since then, I've kept my momentum. I just recently went up to a 70% markup. I think it was about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks. So I really wanted this eBay account, I had just made it in June as well. So I really had any like history on it. So I really had to build it up from the ground up with, 0 reviews and everything. So I really wanted to focus on, like customer support and trying to get as many positive reviews as I can so that, my account can gain that early traction.
Right. Okay, nice. And you did 60% that entire time?
Yeah, pretty much. I think I'd say it was probably right around like July 5th or so. So right around 2 weeks, maybe a little bit less than 2 weeks was when I went up to 70% because I wanted to try to get, as many sales as possible because it was as fresh an eBay account as I had. Because I just wanted to build up that, positive feedback and stuff so that when I up my markups, when they come to my account, they're seeing I have these positive reviews. I've gotten some really good messages. A lot of people really like my customer service. I try to focus on that a lot with sending people messages. Like I always try to keep them updated. Like whenever there's delays, whenever it's delivered, I always send them a message as well. And then I also too, I've done a lot of discounts too. Like when people send me offers that are, relatively close, I always try to accept them just because typically what I've noticed is with those orders that I accept some of the lower offers on, they always tend to leave a positive review, like thanking you for accepting it at a lower price, which just,
Right,
helps
right.
build up your feedback.
So there's still a positive turnout to the lower margin.
Yeah, I'd say on this 8,000, my margins probably net profit, including everything I paid for like the store and my tracking subscriptions, and then also for ecom, probably around 16. I'd say 1,600. So I mean, floating right around a 20%
Okay, okay, okay.
margin. But then I honestly think in the next few months it's going to pick up because I plan, as long as my sales stay steady, I've been averaging, around like above $200 a day. Probably soon I'll move up to an 80% markup. And then I expect, because I already have that, positive past history, to really pick up in what my margin is, to hopefully raise it up to around a 30% margin.
And this is all bulk listing.
Yeah, pretty much. When I talked to you about a week ago, that's when I started doing product substitution. I've been doing that. I've been trying to learn that as best as I can. But aside from that, it's pretty much just been bulk listing.
For your bulk listing on the show items page, do you filter? Do you choose sold multiple times in the past 30
Yeah.
years? Or?
So what I've been doing when I first started, I was only doing about like right around like one sold in the past 30 days. But then probably I'd say the past 2 weeks, I started changing it to 2 to 3 every time I do it. And then that's also just really helped pick up in the product quality that I'm getting. So it's just, I mean, this past, I had this down day here. I think it was like 65. But aside from that, I've had some really, really strong days. And I think it was when I changed that filter to using 2 to 3 sold in the past 30 days, it really helped just find a lot more of those really hot products that everyone's buying.
Okay. And then on the product hunter, do you getting 2 items per listing or one?
Yeah,
that?
on product. Yeah. On product hunter, I do 2. I do
Okay.
2 for every time when I run it.
Okay.
I've experimented with 1, but I just like it better on 2.
Okay, nice. And this is 6 weeks in, so
Yeah.
doing pretty good.
Yeah, and I mean, it's all from the ground up. I really hadn't learned anything with ecom, anything before. But, the way that Ecom Sniper's, configured, I'd say that like overall how the site is, it's very easy to learn stuff. You can go through a lot of those videos, and there's a lot of tools that make it super easy to learn. Like I really haven't felt like I've ran into too many roadblocks, because any issues I have, I've just been able to solve by going to the Ecom Sniper community, whether it's on Telegram or just watching some of your videos too, has also really helped. So there's a lot of resources out there that you definitely can pick this up super fast.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sweet. So guys, if you're not drop shipping on eBay, like this is another gentleman. He's 6 weeks in, 19 years old. He's making a couple of grand a month. I mean, I'm looking forward to see. We'll do an update. I would say we should do one every couple of weeks just to see how you're doing.
Yeah, I'd love to. This is definitely something that I've seen the success in it. It's obviously something that works. That only motivates me more to, try to focus as much as I can and put as much time and effort into it.
Yeah, I mean, I hope that people watching this video will get motivated by what you're doing.
Yeah,
I mean, they could do it as well.
Because I really didn't know anything about e-commerce. I'd never tried it before when I discovered it in early June. And it truly is. Ecom Sniper has so many resources that you can just go through. And if you really put the time in, you'll pick it up quickly.
Okay, yeah, so Connor, thanks for your time. And guys, like the video, subscribe, and I'll put a link to Telegram group where you can reach out to us. And if you want a one-on-one call with me, I'll put a link to that as well. In the comment section, let us know what other videos you like. Have a good one, guys.